Om. Namaste. This is reference to our previous video uploaded on 20th November 2020 regarding celebration of Mahavatar Babaji Jayanti falling on 5th December 2020 on Saturday on a Pushya Nakshatra. We had made all the arrangements for celebration of Babaji Jayanti on 5th December 2020, but there is some change in the program. The reason being, in Karnataka, some associations have called for Karnataka Bandh on that day. Due to some language policy of the government, many of the Kannada associations have objected to the policy of the government. Negotiations with the government having failed, or negotiations with the government not picking up, various associations connected with the promotion of Kannada language in Karnataka have given a call for Karnataka Bandh from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. on the same day, Saturday, 5th December 2020. As a result of this, we do not want to bring any kind of inconvenience for the members who are visiting. So, as a result of this, we are postponing the performance of various Homa on a different date. The net result here is on 5th December 2020, Saturday, there won't be any function relating to Mahavatar Babaji Jayanti. As a result of the call, there could be disruption of transport, taxis, autos, etc. Keeping this in view, we are not inviting any members. However, the celebration will go on in a very simple way at Babaji Sannidhan. Some members in the local, some members who can come of their own in two-wheelers or cars, if there is no disruption on the way, no issues. Other than this, all arrangements related to celebration of Babaji Jayanti stands cancelled. We will announce a different date taking into consideration the coronavirus pandemic looming over every state. Many members have sent text messages, many members have called us, expressed their willingness to come, but because of the restrictions of interstate transportation and travel, they were displeased with not being able to attend the Jayanti of Mahavatar Babaji. Once the situation is eased and normalcy is restored, we will surely perform all the homas in a much elaborate manner, and at that time we hope all of us will meet and enjoy celebrating Mahavatar Babaji Jayanti all together. All the very best. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.